Weather. Lauren has been tracking it for us this morning. We have a bit of a cool down this weekend. It's going to be chilly tomorrow.
It will, but plenty of sunshine. Going to be still a gorgeous weekend. I know Chris, he has a 5K. Fox 4, we have the MS 5K. So a lot going on. So taking a look at radar right now, you can see some of that rain that maybe you saw around 5 o'clock this morning starting to move out of our area. Areas like the Florida Keys kind of dealing with what is left of that front as it sweeps across the southwest of Florida. You could see Everglades City could see a shower or two at the moment, but a lot of that rain is pretty light as well. Clewiston and areas closer to Lake Harbor probably seeing a shower or two as well. And then I know when I was coming in this morning, it was a light drizzle, but that has since changed. Areas like Lehigh Acres, Buckingham, North Fort Myers looking pretty dry at the moment. The thing that I really want to focus on right now is the temperature change, because we started off warm and humid, but take a look at the temperatures right now. 70 in Immokalee, 68 in Arcadia. Our friends down to the south, a slight warm difference here. You can see 72 in Golden Gate, same in Naples. But again, this is still different. When you take a look at the 24-hour temperature change, a 5-degree difference in Northport, 3 in Cape Coral, 2 in Bonita Springs, and then you can expect those cool temperatures to stick around pretty much for the rest of the weekend. As that front is moving in, something else we have to keep our eye on is the wind, and that's because we're going to be dealing with breezy conditions not just this morning but also this afternoon. Winds coming out of the northwest, areas slightly breezier than others, such as Fort Myers. You could see wind is up to 12 miles per hour. I'm also keeping my eye on the gusts, and that's because we've seen gust speeds up to 25 miles per hour. Right now, Naples and Venice seem to be dealing with the worst of it, though, up to 20 miles per hour. When you take a look at the day planner, though, I promise Friday is going to be a beautiful day. This morning we had that front move through, bringing us some of those breezier conditions and also some of that rain. But by this afternoon, it will be cooler, still breezy. Temperature is going to be close to 78 degrees. And as we get to this evening, 5, 6 o'clock, those skies are going to clear out. We're going to have a beautiful night. So if you want to maybe get the fire pit ready, it's not a bad idea. Clouds in radar, you could see showing what's remaining of that front as it moves across our state. Not the only front we're keeping our eye on either. We have one right to the north of us. But how is that going to impact the weekend? Well, when you take a look at the predictor, you could see that wind coming out of the north. That's going to keep us cooler, not just for Saturday, but also for Sunday. But as we get closer to Sunday afternoon, you could see a slight shift in the wind. It's going to come out of the northeast, and that's going to kind of bring in a warming trend. So starting off your work week will be closer to normal temperatures for this time of the year, closer to 80 degrees. If you're headed out on the boat today, plenty of sunshine, going to be a beautiful day, just slightly cooler. I do want to warn you, though, those breezy conditions could impact you if you're out on the boat. There's a small craft advisory for you out there. Taking a look at the 7-day forecast again today, going to see a high close to 78 degrees. You can see we're going to have an overnight low of 49. Don't forget, on Saturday, we have to turn back those clocks, losing an hour of sleep on Sunday, and then you see that warming trend kick in again on Monday, closer to 80 degrees. Time right now.